a tutti, bentornati sul mio canale, oppure benvenuti. For those of you who are new to this channel, hi, I'm Katie. I am an American, I live in southern Italy, and I love living here, as pretty much all of my videos are all about. But there are some things that I miss. So let's talk about those. And first, as always, a big thank you to my Patreon community, the Quirky Club. I love you all, you're the best. They help support this work, they are why I do these videos. Thank you, Quirky Club. If you want to join, then you'll get all kinds of great stuff. We have monthly live chats, they get exclusive recipes, exclusive behind the scenes videos. So check that out if you want, it's in the description box below. And in the meantime, things that I really miss. Numero uno, great peanut butter. Like really great peanut butter and just nut butters in general, right? Cashew butter, almond butter. I am such a fan of nut butters. I mean, so much so I actually considered at one point years ago, like starting my own nut butter company. That's true, never happened. But I love this stuff, right? It gives me energy, fills me up, it's healthy in so many ways. And here, it's really hard to come across more than like one option of a small jar of peanut butter at the grocery store. And what's amazing is that it's among just like shelves and shelves and shelves of Nutella and various other chocolate hazelnut spreads. I'm like, okay, you guys clearly like spreads of some kind. I mean, pistachio butter, I adore. I love it so much, I wrote an article about it for New York Magazine, but nothing quite does it like a really good, natural, organic peanut butter. And yes, I know, I can make it at home. Making your own peanut butter at home is very doable. In fact, I've done a video about making your own peanut butter at home.
Oh, that is good.
Right?
That is really good.
And yes, that's an option, but I definitely had some peanut butter brands that I loved. So anyway, it's a small thing, but I miss it. Numero due, the ease of communication. Something I think a lot of us take for granted. This is an obvious one, right? We've lived here for over a year now, and our Italian is pretty good. I can get around, I can do the things, I can have conversations.
Oh, sì, cucinare a Modena è il mio sogno, sì.
But the ease of doing all of this stuff, nothing is easy, nothing is easy. And where we are in southern Italy, in Puglia, not many people speak English, which has been amazing in so many ways. It's been a huge boon to learning the language.
Nella salsa mi ho messo poco, vuoi assaggiarla?
No, va bene, perché la pizza si mangia più dolce che salata.
Ok.
I miss not trying so hard at speaking. It's something I think we all take for granted. Numero tre, doing things in an instant and online too. The way that things are done here, maybe chalk it up to bureaucracy or just like cultural workflow, I don't know. But there always tends to be like a lot of steps and you have to call someone and then you call someone else.
Leave another message.
It's a lot about relationship building here, which I appreciate. Now that we have a community here and we have friends, it's so much easier to get things done. But without that network of people, it's very, very difficult to get things done. I'll give you one example. After we've gotten 2 cars stolen, which I also did a video about, we realized, okay, if we're gonna have a car here that's not like a total junker, we really need to also invest in a safe place to park it. Not as easy to do as it would seem. The way it works here is there's all these privately owned little parking garages. If there happens to be a space open, there'll just be a little sign up on a gate with like a number to call. So you have to A, luck out with timing, B, like have your eyes peeled everywhere you go, and then C, know what's happening and to call that number and to get the parking spot. Numero cuatro, certain movies and shows on streaming, just not accessible. You can watch anything from around the world, but it doesn't entirely work like that. There are some shows that are blocked to us living in Italy. And all you computer people out there thinking, Katie, there are ways to get around that, like VPN. Connor and I have tried, and there are some things, I'll give you an example. Stanley Tucci's new CNN series about Italy, well, it's not that new anymore. The first year it was out, it was impossible. I really wanted to watch it and I could not access it. I tried all the tricks, I tried all the things, and it was nigh impossible. I think it is available in Italy now, so I should look into that again. Although, I don't know, my jets have kind of cooled on it. So if you've seen it and if you would recommend it, leave a comment below. Tell me to go start trying to watch it again. Numero 5, international flavors of food. I eat incredibly well in Italy. That goes without saying, right? Like, Italian food is legitimately just incredible. But it is all Italian food. Italians are really good at making Italian food. Thai food, oh my gosh, give me a coconut curry. Right now, I will eat it until I'm so stuffed, oh my gosh. Don't even bring up Mexican food, because I miss a good taco, a good tortilla, salsa, oh my gosh, guacamole? Oh my god, what I would give for a bowl of guacamole right now. My only experience with international flavors here in Italy has been when I've visited big cities like Rome. So we went to a great little hole-in-the-wall place, has incredible Indian food. We had some dope biryani. That was just what my heart needed. Numero 6, my family. I miss our families a whole heck of a lot. This past summer, our families came to visit. We had such an incredible time traveling around this country with them. I think maybe it also made me realize, seeing them and having them here, just how much I really did miss them. I love living here, but sometimes it feels far from family. So that's it. Those are the first things that come to mind anyway. I'm sure I'll think of more the minute I stop record on this, but these are the main things. I try not to dwell on them because my life is so full. There you have it. Those are the things that I do miss. Thanks as always to my incredible Patreon community, the Quirky Club. I love you all. Grazie per aver guardato questo video e ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao ciao!